Hey, what's going on, everybody? My name is Billy. As you can see on the screen here, I logged into my Facebook page just to show you that, you can find me. I'm not trying to hide around here on the internet or anything like that. I'm just basically, just like and you can see my wife here in the middle and my kids. I would put pictures of my dogs in here, so I'm missing that, but I need to update that. I got two cats as well, actually three cats and two dogs. But besides all that, guys, you just got off of my what I like to call a capture page. So basically, you gave me your email so that you can see how to make money online. And a lot of the times, what you'll end up seeing, and you guys probably seen this as well, is that you'll end up going to a sales page, is what we call it. But you don't really get to see, what you're actually, going to be getting. So I figure instead of sending you straight to that page, that I'm just going to show you what you're going to get, let you see the back office and stuff like that. And this way, if you like what you see, I'm gonna have a button down here at the bottom or somewhere on this page that you can click and head over to the next page, get what you need, and then come on in, and you'll kind of already have a really good idea of what you got and how to navigate it. Okay, so with that being said, again, if you have any questions, you can reply. My email will be below, or you can hunt me down on Facebook. You'll see a banner like this with my name, and then you can message me that way. Either way, I'm open. I'll even leave my number down below as well. Yeah, you can send me a text message. I don't really answer phone calls from people I don't know, so it'd be great if you just sent a text. Let me know who you are. If you have a question, what it's about, I can even answer it there without even jumping on a call. So, with that being said, I don't have any fancy equipment. I don't have a mic or anything. It's just my PC, and I'm at a hotel right now. So hopefully everything comes through. You can see me okay. So let's go ahead and move forward. So now, what you saw on the page that you came from was telling you how to make money online, specifically how to make six figures online. Okay, and I do that with a simple business model called affiliate marketing, and I'll explain to you why I do that. But let's go ahead and jump into the back office. So after you visit the next page and you like what you see, you're going to get login information to be able to get into your back office, which is what I'm going to show you. And it basically looks like this, okay? Now, the first offer that you're going to see is for the all-in-one, okay? It's an all-in-one business, basically a business in the box, and it's using the business model called affiliate marketing. Now, I like affiliate marketing because you literally, um, you know, 90% of the work is literally done for you guys. We don't have to create the pages. We don't have to create the copywriting, the websites, um, whatever else is involved, the customer service, support, and all that kind of stuff. We don't deal with none of that as affiliate marketers. We literally get 90% of the work done for us, and then we get shown what to do on the other 10%. And it's not anything crazy. I mean, I could be doing a lot of other manual work, like getting on roofs, right? Or just painting all day long. We had somebody in the group said that they to make what they made in one day doing affiliate marketing, they would have had to paint for 8 hours. So that just lets you know, like, if you can just get in here, guys, and just follow what we say and just keep doing it, amazing things could happen. So that's why I do affiliate marketing. So I like the done for you stuff, and and this is by far the easiest business model out there. So when you first get in here and get access to the all-in-one, what you're getting access to is this affiliate zone, which is basically a quick start. Okay, so if you want to come in here, you don't want to mess around. You want to get in here. Our goal is to help you get your first two customers, because once that happens, your product is paid for. All right, and then we want to help you start profiting after that. So even your goal should be to get in and start profiting, right? That's what you want. That's why you're here. So the fastest way to do that is to just show you how to go straight forward. So that's what this affiliate quick start here is made for. There's literally 4 videos, and I mean, other than time, that's really all you need to do is just give a little bit of time. It's okay if you're not going to understand everything. That's what the videos are here. You can rewatch them over and over and over, but we do the best we can to simplify this, and just help you, hit the ground running. So this is a 30-minute video here. I suggest watching all of it. And just this was 30 minutes. If you click on this 1x, you can see here 1.25, 1.5, 2 times. So if you watched it 2x, it's really going to be fast. But if you can listen fast, then that's okay, because you can always come back and watch it again. But that takes the 30-minute video down to 15 minutes. So that's just a little tip if you can listen fast. And you got the links here. So if you click on them, they take you to the next spot. But don't do any of that kind of stuff until they tell you in the video. Then you're going to move down here. You see step 2 of 4, quick launch, before setting anything up. Again, this is probably 30-minute, so you can speed that up. And you want to watch all this, guys. I mean, it's just going to be helpful for you to watch all this stuff. It's just awesome. And Paul and Mike are just cool dudes to watch. So just do exactly what they say. And then you move on. You got the timestamps, right? So if you want to come back, let's say you did watch it on 2 speed, but you remember hearing something, you can, just check out these timestamps and then literally just drag this little bar wherever you need it to go. One of the ways that they're going to help you get, earning quickly, if you have social media and it's not a must, if you want to use social media, they even give you a sample post here that you can paste. So you literally can just right click on that and save image as, save it on your computer, and then you can go to Facebook and post it, right? So it's literally that simple. You got another one here that you can use, and these are great because I've used them, and when you post them on your social media, people are going to be like, what is that? What's going on? Well, then you share with them what you're doing, right? You got the text version. So let's say you have another platform or something, or you have, people's phone numbers. You can literally send them this here, right? Or you can also just paste these on social media. So you got some more posts here. Some emails. If you already have a current email list, you know what? You can just come down here and copy these word for word. And here you'd want to put your name, obviously, and then you'd want to put your name down here. We'll show you where to put your link at, but it's literally that simple. So if you use what we got here, our goal is for you to use this and help you get your 2 sales really fast, because at 2, that means your product is free and you're going to be profiting. And then sky's the limit, right? So let's moving down here. So you got step 3 or 4, set up your all-in-one business funnel. So like I said, I do affiliate marketing because I love the done for you stuff. So you're going to literally have your own funnel here, and it's already set up. So when it says set up, you're basically going in and just connecting stuff. Okay. And again, all that's explained in here. Video's 15 minutes. So obviously if you do the 2x, then you can knock that down. And you can see here's 5 more autoresponder. If you don't know what autoresponder is, you don't know what to do here, it's okay. Don't worry about it. Like this stuff, we got you, is basically what I'm trying to say here. So this one here, important side notes, do this from a computer. Trying from your phone or iPad will not work. So, make sure you follow that. And then the last step, get traffic to your funnel. If you don't know what traffic is, it's just eyeballs. And again, don't worry about it. Especially if you're new, everything's going to seem overwhelming. But all you got to do is just watch these videos. If you get down here and you're like, I don't know what to do, just come back up here to video number 1 and just watch it again, guys. It's literally that simple. But by the time you get here, you pretty much got a full-blown online business that you can do with your PC. And if you, I'm sure you know that you can take your PC anywhere, right? And just finish reading all this here. And that's basically it, guys. We have support, a way for you to get support here if you need it. Also, we feed kids. If you guys didn't see that or know that, some of the proceeds that are from here actually go to feed kids. And it's just, you can listen to the message here from Jessica at Feed My Starving Children about our community and what we're doing out here. And that's basically what you guys get access to, guys. You really don't need anything else. I'm sure if you got this via email, you probably get a ton of emails about making money online. A lot of them are smoke and mirrors. Most of them do work, but it's just they kind of start you in the wrong spot. Like when you start doing this stuff, you need help, you need support, and you need this kind of training here. Not you don't want to skip to Z if you haven't even started A, right? And that's what most of these business opportunities will do. This is your foundation here. You set this up and you set it up properly, then you can go out there and do anything you want and have success with it. Once you do this, guys, one of the other things that you're going to get is the Freedom Launchpad bonuses. Now, I wouldn't worry about this until you do the affiliate quick start here, but I'll just show you. So once you click on there, boom, then you got some more videos here, guys. And one thing that I will tell you is all this right here, literally, it does, and you're learning stuff that you can have success with any business you promote, not just this business. Okay, we're not in the business just to show you how to promote this business. We show you how to promote any business, right? And that's what these are. I highly recommend you do this, but not until you do the affiliate quick start. Okay, this is not going anywhere. This is going to be here. The escape plan, you got the digital book and an audio book. Highly recommended, guys. It's 186 pages, but you can also listen to this while you're driving. It's amazing. I've been doing this for 5 years, and this book right here just breaks everything down very simply, very beautifully, and it's something I highly recommend. Then you also are going to get the traffic swipe, so the ultimate email swipe training, the traffic swipe training, and then the 50 done for you emails that probably cost about $500, and you get them as a bonus. Okay, this is for premium. We can talk about that on another video, but you'll also be able to learn more about premium on the next page. If you like what you see here, should you choose to grab it, you'll learn more about premium there. And then, of course, the main product that you're going to be getting is the Funnel Builder Academy. Okay, and this is what you're going to use if you want to make other pages, other websites. And we have tons of examples in here. So don't think that you're going to have to come in here and do this. Like, you literally do not have to build one website if you don't want to. But this is where your done for you funnels are going to live in here. Okay. And so you get more training videos on how to use it. You can see your funnel builder, your setups, all the training. So just different things that people have requested, and we've gone in and done videos on how to do it. And so you literally just come in here, and if you know what you're looking for, just click on it and watch the video. And then, of course, then you get the live coaching we do every Monday, guys. And we literally have live calls every day. So with that being said, that's basically what you're going to get access to by going to the next page. And again, lots of support. We even have a Facebook group that you're going to get access to. You see here, I know somebody commented here. If we come to here, you're going to see, let me see here. So you're going to get access to this Facebook group. So this is what it's going to look like. We're at 4.2 thousand members, guys. And so this is a place where you want to ask your questions. But not only that, guys, if you join, you also get me. And I'm here to help. And I'm looking forward to working with you. So Head on over to the next page if you like what you saw, and I'll be chatting with you soon. So thanks.